Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 4. Tips for increasing your affiliate advertising earnings. Increasing your affiliate advertising earnings can be a combination of strategy, optimization, and content. Here are some tips to help you boost your earnings. 1. Choose the right products. Select products that are relevant to your audience and align with your content. Quality and relevance are key to driving conversions. 2. Create high-quality content. Produce valuable and engaging content that attracts and retains your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, or social media posts. 3. Optimize your website. Ensure your website is user-friendly and optimized for conversions. This includes having clear call to actions, CTAs, fast loading times, and mobile responsiveness. 4. Use multiple platforms. Promote your affiliate links across various platforms, including your website, social media, email newsletters, and other relevant channels. 5. Build an email list. Grow your email list and regularly engage with your subscribers. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for promoting affiliate products and driving sales. 6. Track and analyze your performance. Use analytics tools to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. This can help you optimize your strategy and maximize your earnings. 7. Stay updated with trends. Keep yourself updated with industry trends and changes in the market. This can help you identify new opportunities for affiliate partnerships and content creation. 8. Experiment and test. Don't be afraid to try new strategies and tactics. Experimentation can help you discover what works best for your audience and optimize your approach accordingly.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.